All right, guys, today we are going to talk about the 5 health-related components of fitness. We have touched on this a little bit in the fitness center, but with us doing some remote learning, I thought this would be a really good opportunity for you guys to be able to kind of learn it again and touch base with it. So we're going to work on this. There are 5 of them. I'm also going to put this PowerPoint in your Google Classroom, so if I'm talking too quickly or just moving too fast, you'll be able to view it yourselves. Okay, so on the first slide, you're going to see all 5 components. They all have links to their actual pages. So if you're trying to find out where to go or whatever, you can just click on the links. So the first one, we have cardiovascular endurance. We're going to go to that slide first. So cardiovascular endurance. All right, this is going to be the ability to use your entire body for long periods of time without stopping. Okay, so a couple examples that would be pretty easy to recognize would be running, swimming, and biking. When you guys are in the fitness center, some examples would be the treadmill, the elliptical, and the bike. Okay, so when you guys are in this PowerPoint, you can always click back on this link down here. It says back to 5 health-related components of fitness, and it'll take you back to this screen, and then you can keep going through that. The second one we're going to go over is muscular strength. So we're going to go to that slide. Muscular strength is the amount of force your muscles can produce. So examples of this would be heavy lifting, or lifting heavy weights, push-ups, and sit-ups. So you can see this guy, he's lifting 2 other guys. So when you're doing strength, you're doing a higher weight but lower repetition, so you're trying to really force your muscles to produce as much as they can in one time or in a few times, versus endurance where you're producing it for a longer period of time. Okay, so we will go back to our main page here. So we covered 1 and 2. Let's go over muscular endurance, which is our 3rd component. Muscular endurance, so you're using your muscles again, but instead of seeing how much force they can produce in one or a few movements, you are trying to use your muscles as many times as you can without tiring. So a lot of times you're going to see muscular endurance being used with body weight exercises, so you're just using your body to do these exercises. You're not adding extra weight to them. Planks or walking lunges, most of the time there's no weight added, it's just your body weight exercises. Okay, the 4th component we're going to talk about, which we kind of hit a lot while we were back in school, is flexibility. So flexibility is the ability to move your joints through a full range of motion. So when we were in the fitness center, we did a lot of yoga to help increase our flexibility. Stretching and Pilates are other forms of that. Flexibility is really good because it keeps your muscles loose and all that as well. Okay, and our last and final component is going to be body composition. We don't touch on this one a whole lot because it is the percentage of body weight compared to fat. So you're trying to compare the body weight of your tissues, your bones, and your muscles, and in comparison to fat. And a lot of times BMI is not really used as much anymore because people like bodybuilders, they have a ton of muscle. They have so much muscle, their BMI is off, and it's saying that they're obese. So we try not to touch on this one too much. It's just important that you do know what it is. All right, guys. I hope that cleared up the 5 health-related components for you. Okay, bye.